Acting out of freedom does not exclude moral laws. It includes them, but shows itself to be on a higher level than actions dictated solely by these laws. Why should my action be of less service to the common good if I have acted for the love of it, than if I have acted only because I consider it my duty to serve the common good? The concept of duty excludes freedom because it does not recognize the right of individuality, but demands that the individual conform to general norms. Freedom of action is conceivable only from the standpoint of ethical individualism. But how is a social life possible if each one is only striving to assert their own individuality? This question is characteristic of misguided moralism. The moralist believes that a social community is possible only if all are united by a common moral order. This shows that the moralist does not understand the unity of the world of ideas. The moralist fails to see that the world of ideas that inspires me is none other than the one inspiring my neighbor. This unity of individuals, however, is a result of our experience of the world. It cannot be anything else. For if we could recognize our unity in any way other than by individual observation, it would follow that universal norms, rather than individual experience, would be dominant in that sphere. Individuality is only possible when each individual knows others through individual observation alone. I differ from my neighbor not because we are living in two entirely different mental worlds, but because he receives different intuitions than I do out of our common world of ideas. He wants to live out his intuitions, I mine. If our source truly is the world of ideas, and we do not obey any external impulses, physical or spiritual, then we can only meet in the same striving, in the same intentions.